How to change full name on Cash App. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your full name on Cash App. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First thing, you will need to open up your Cash App and make sure you're logged in into your account. After you do that, tap on your profile icon that's on the top right corner. After you tap on it, you will then need to tap on Edit Profile. Tap on Edit Profile, and you should be on this section right here. Now here you can see your basic info, including your full name and Cashtag and bio. So from here, tap on the full name, and from here you can now edit your full name. So you can add whatever you want, you can edit it, you can change it. Just make sure that you give it your first and last name. And you can come back here after you've saved it and you can see the full name has been changed. And it's basically that simple. If you want to preview it, you can simply tap on the preview option and check how it looks. And yeah, that's all for today's video. That's how you change your full name on Cash App. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.